yan.
Ako yung first angkas pare.
Nice ass. Jake, mali ka ng binili.
Motocross na eh.
Adventure bike dapat binili mo. Dahan-dahan. Excuse me.
Gege, pasok.
Hindi, papapasukin ko yung bagong motor na.
Ay,
naman
bagong motor.
Oh, walang ano, wala lalapit ha. Wala lalapit ha.
Uy, huwag kang lalapitan. Huwag kang lalapitan. Magagasgas na.
Oh, wala lalapit. 50 meters, 50 meters, 50 meters. Wala mo na lalapit. Wala lalapit.
Sir, yung e-bike mo, park mo na.
Yun lang, e-bike pa rin. Oh, magasgasan yung motor ko. Baliktad ah.
Dan.
Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Excuse me po. Hop. Ge, walang tutulong.
Uy, nagsasalita.
Ay, ano ba?
Nagsasalita.
Stay.
Stay ka pare.
Stay daw.
Hindi ako baka mapiga ko pre.
Tiger. Oh, yan pa. Tiger na talaga siya.
Ay.
Tara mo. Tiger talaga.
Pero man ang tiger yan.
Tiger nga talaga.
Pero man yan.
Ayun, no?
Tiro ka na talaga, no?
Ayun no, bagay sa edad.
Hayop.
Ay, sorry.
Street lights, silk on the river glass. Slow hands of midnight, folding the map. A train hum drifts like silver smoke, tracing old gold through the gaps. My shadow leans with the city pulse. Soft shoes tapping a secret code. Neon flickers on rain dark stone, turning each corner into a road. I keep your trace in the quiet air, in the hush between the crowded wheels, in the space where the rush dissolves, in the afterglow of hidden fields. Dust from a rooftop, summer hangs somewhere under my tongue tonight. A tender blur of electric blue and windows full of borrowed light. The sky wears low like velvet static, warm and worn at the frame seams. And every block is a faded photograph stitched to the edge of lucid dreams. I move through the bloom of the avenue, through laughter spilled from distant bars, through quiet rooms with open blinds, through taxi lines and ceiling stars. There is no hurry in this hour, no sharp command, no closing gate. Only the slow burn of a memory, learning the shape of another fate. A record spins in a room upstairs, low brass bend in the dark with grace. And all at once the air turns kind, as if the night has found your face. Not in a frame, not in a name, not in a script I learned to say, but in the way the silence glows and keeps the harder world away. I carry a spark I never show, tucked in the lining under my ribs. A small bright tide with a patient pull, a moonlit current under the bridge.